Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chili paneer at home, updated. Start by pressing 250G paneer to remove moisture, then cut into 1-inch cubes and pat dry. Toss cubes in 1 tablespoon cornstarch and a pinch of salt for light crispiness. Heat oil, shallow fry until golden, then set aside. Prepare sauce with 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon vinegar, and chopped chilies, then combine gently. Warm and friendly tip: handle paneer gently so it stays intact while achieving a crisp exterior. Use a clean cloth to press out moisture for a few minutes. Cut into even 1-inch cubes so cooking is uniform. Lightly dust each cube with 1 tablespoon cornstarch and a pinch of salt for that perfect outer crunch. Fry in hot oil until golden, then let them rest on paper towel to drain excess oil. If you're enjoying this, please subscribe and like to support more recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated while you cook with the Owala water bottle. It's leak-proof and keeps drinks cold, which is perfect when chopping chilies and tasting spicy sauces. I find it handy and funny to sip between stirring and frying. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. For the sauce, keep it simple and bold so the paneer shines. Sauté 1 chopped onion and 2 cloves garlic until soft but not browned. Add chopped green chilies, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon vinegar, and 1 tsp sugar for balance. Stir in bell pepper for color and cook briefly to keep crunch. Toss the fried paneer with the sauce and cook another 1 to 2 minutes so each cube absorbs the flavor evenly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.